The Manginapudi Beach Circuit. One can ride on the waves. The proposed tourism project aims to transform Manginapudi Beach in Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh, into a premier coastal destination. This beach facility is easily accessible from the happening city of Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. By enhancing the beach's physical appearance, infrastructure, safety standards and other recreational facilities, the project will boost tourism in the area. It will support the existing ethnic businesses like gold plating, kalamkari printing etc. and leads to sustainable development of local economy. The state government's proposal to use a multi-purpose strategy involving submerged breakwaters and beach nourishment is a forward-thinking approach to protect coastal areas from the risks associated with rising sea levels due to global warming. This strategy not only addresses the urgent need for coastal protection but also creates opportunities for tourism development by creating pristine beaches. Utilizing the National Disaster Mitigation Funds (NDMF) from the central government, along with state contributions, enhances the feasibility and sustainability of the project. Beach nourishment by dredging clean sand from deep-sea areas, separating mud through a pumping process, and supplementing with fine coarse sand from a nearby riverbed is an effective strategy to reduce mud presence and improve the sand quality at Manginapudi Beach. The dredged material is processed on-site or on a dredging vessel. This involves separating finer particles like mud from coarse sand. The mud and silt are filtered out using a sediment separator, leaving clean, coarse sand. The clean sand is then pumped to the shore, ensuring that only high-quality material reaches the beach. In addition to deep-sea dredging, fine coarse sand is sourced from a nearby riverbed and spread evenly over the nourished areas to create a consistent and aesthetically pleasing beach surface. This approach not only enhances the natural beauty of the beach but also significantly improves the overall visitor experience, supporting long-term tourism growth and environmental sustainability. Submerged breakwaters are underwater structures designed to reduce the energy of incoming waves before they reach the shore. By breaking the waves' force, these structures help minimize coastal erosion and protect infrastructure along the coastline. As global warming contributes to rising sea levels, submerged breakwaters serve as a protective barrier, reducing the impact of high tides and storm surges on coastal communities and ecosystems. The calm water created by submerged breakwaters also facilitates safe swimming zones, water sports, and other recreational activities, enhancing the tourist appeal of the area. Adding greenery, shaded sit-outs, and well-maintained walking trails can transform the surroundings into a more visually appealing environment. Landscaping with native plants, decorative pathways, and seating areas enhances the natural beauty and provides relaxing spaces for visitors to unwind. Of sand filling, beach nourishment, and the erection of breakwaters along the coastline is estimated to be between Rs 13 to 15 crores per every kilometer. This investment is crucial for enhancing the beach area by maintaining shoreline stability, preventing erosion, and creating a safer and more attractive beachfront for tourists. Securing NDMF assistance from central government can make these vital coastal development projects more feasible, helping transform coastal areas into tourist